Well, I'm going to put my blackberries in their final resting place. That is where I have them right now. Just brought them over here. But I think I'm going to put them in line with this faucet and basically just straight that way. I bought some landscape fiber, kind of a felt looking landscape fabric. Had some real good reviews on Amazon and says it lasts a long time. We're gonna see. Anyway, I'll set up the camera and just give you a kind of a time lapse of what I'm doing here, putting the blackberries where they belong. So this is a little different from anything I've ever used before. It does have kind of a felt side to it, and then a shiny side. My understanding is the shiny side goes up, and since it rolls out that way from the roll, I'm sure that's true. It will roll out like this with the shiny side up. So anyway, we're gonna get started and get her done. Okay, so here they are all lined up. The ground cover, I really like it. It's not as plasticky as the other stuff I bought. The other stuff seemed thicker, but this is just different. It's got a felt, the back side, the bottom side on the ground is kind of a felt fabric, and then but it's thick. It's 5 mil. If I remember right, and got some great reviews on Amazon saying they last for years. So I started to put wood chips. I've got some wood chips. Just had some tree work done, and they dumped my chips on my place. I started to put wood chips down because my land slopes this way just a little bit right here, and I want the wicking tubs level. And I thought if I spread wood chips down, I could finagle it and get them more leveler than they are right now. This first one especially is cocked up to the side. But I may do that later because this being Texas, if that sun bakes down on that black cloth, certainly it'll kill the grass underneath, but it might it might boil the water in it too. I don't know. We'll see. But that may be a thing. That may be a problem. Is black ground cover absorbing so much sun that it presents a problem in the Texas heat. Let me come down on the end, show you what I got on the end. Got a video coming up on that pretty soon. I have got blackberries in an earth box. I do need to level that out. It's sloping this way just a little bit, and probably kind of that way. My land slopes not just this way, but kind of that way. So I need to get that level because of the way it drains and everything. But it's got to drain just like the rest of the tub. So I don't know why that would. I don't know why you would be any different. Is what I'm saying. You just play nice like the rest of them. So these are my blackberries. I will put up a trellis of some sort. I think I know what I'm going to do, and I will invite you along when I do it, which will be pretty soon. Some of these folks are getting up there like they want to start touching the trellis. So we're gonna give them that opportunity. I don't know how straight it is. I didn't put a string on it. I just kind of went by the lines on that. And they're pretty doggone straight. I'm kind of showing you some other stuff on the side there, and I'll show you that later, not right now. So anyway, that's my blackberries in containers, in an earth box, and we'll see what's going on. We'll see how it works, and I will share it with you. Be sure you're subscribed so you can follow along the journey, and be sure you have rung the bell so you'll get notifications of any video that I put up. You might want to see it. It may be the follow-up to this. I may have killed them all. You're going to want to know that. All right, that's it. We're gone.